Hey guys, Muller's here, and today I'm going to be building Old Man Logan from the comics published by Marvel, and a little bit from the movie Logan. So let's just get into the build. So first we'll be going to minifigures, lower parts. We're going to use these black and white legs. We're going to turn into this sand blue, or actually, let's go navy. So those would be like his jean pants. And then we're going to go to Indiana Jones. We're going to use the Indiana Jones shirt from the first movie. And we're going to put in the view center. Then we're going to go to heads. I'm just going to scroll down to superheroes, Marvel. And we're going to use the Logan head from 2012. Going to reverse it there. Hairs. We're going to be using the Doctor Strange hair. But unfortunately, they don't have the white stripes in there. So we can't use it to kind of show his age. So I'll just turn it into like a dark stone gray. But it kind of looks odd if you compare it to the his kind of sideburns. So we could just turn that black if you would like. And then weapons. I'm going to keep scrolling until we find these. So we're going to turn these into either a kind of pearl scent. We're going to go to pearl scent. These two. I'm going to get rid of the grid because sometimes when I go like this, it kind of interferes. So then we're going to go pearl scent, and we're going to make them a bit shiny. Titanium metallic, kind of show his age a little bit. Or you can go with the silver metallic. Or, yeah, silver metallic. You can either go with one of those, one of the two. I like the titanium metal because it kind of shows his age a little bit. You can kind of imagine it as like he's aging. The adamantium is aging. And this is how you make Logan, Old Man Logan from X-Men. And or you can say it's from Logan, the movie Logan. Any of those will kind of do. Like, you can do whatever you want with it, really. So if you liked that, check out my other builds I will be doing, like Punisher or Mysterio, or Reverse Flash or Doctor Doom. All of these will be coming up soon. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.